National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page.
The National Weather Service in Northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, western St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Stark County in northwest Indiana, Berrien County in southwest Michigan until 3:15 p.m. or 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time at 1:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 5 miles west of Portage to 5 miles northeast of Lakes of the Four Seasons to DeMott and moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Westville around 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Watertown and Trail Creek around 1:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, Long Beach and LaPorte around 1:40 p.m. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, western St. Joseph County in north central Indiana, northern Stark County in northwest Indiana, Berrien County in southwest Michigan until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Portage to 5 miles northeast of Lakes of the Four Seasons to DeMott and moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Westville around 1:30 p.m. Watertown and Trail Creek around 1:35 p.m. Long Beach and LaPorte around 1:40 p.m. Hamblin and New Buffalo around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Coates Lake and Three Oaks around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bridgman and North Liberty around 2:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the warning include Haskell, Lomax, English Lake, Waterford, Thomaston, South Wanata, Pinola, Pinhook, Otis and Michiana. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure, this is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across southern Lake County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Benton County in northwest Indiana, extreme southeast Jasper County in northwest Indiana until 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2 o'clock p.m. At 2:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wadena to Oxford and moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Otter Bay and Remington. A tornado warning remains in effect for western Benton County. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. A severe thunderstorm warning